In a world that never stops moving, where your phone never sleeps, and where notifications are constantly calling your name, there is one habit that almost everyone forgets. It's a single habit that has the power to transform your health, your mind, your energy, and your entire life. That habit is sleep. Not just closing your eyes, but real sleep. Deep, restorative sleep. The kind of rest that your body has been begging you for. We've been taught to treat sleep like it's some kind of luxury, something optional that we can sacrifice when we're busy. We think we can push it aside to get more done, to hustle harder. But your body doesn't agree. Your mind doesn't agree. Your heart, your muscles, your hormones, they all depend on sleep to keep you alive, focused, and healthy. Think about it. When you sleep, everything inside you gets a chance to reset. Your brain works diligently, organizing the memories from your day, clearing out the mental clutter. Your muscles, which you've used all day long, begin to repair and grow stronger. Your immune system gets a much-needed boost, preparing to defend you. Your stress levels finally drop, giving your nervous system a break. Sleep isn't just the end of your day. It's the beginning of your recovery for tomorrow. It's the foundation upon which your next day is built. Have you ever noticed how your mood changes when you're sleep-deprived? It's not your imagination. When you don't get enough sleep, you're more likely to be irritated. You feel impatient with others and with yourself. It's harder to focus, and your emotions can feel like they're on a roller coaster, much harder to control. But when you sleep well, something almost magical happens. Your mood lifts. That constant feeling of stress begins to fade away, and your mind becomes clearer, quieter. You just feel lighter, both inside and out. In many ways, good sleep is your body's natural antidepressant. It's a source of peace that's built right into your biology. It's the ultimate reset button, and you get to press it every single night. If you want to feel happier, more balanced, and more in control of your emotional life, the journey often starts with simply getting a good night's rest. So many of us have bought into the myth that productivity means sleeping less. We see discipline as waking up at 4 in the morning, no matter how tired we are. But the truth is actually the complete opposite. True, sustainable discipline starts with recovery. You cannot expect to focus if your brain is exhausted. You cannot build a business, a body, or a better life if you're constantly running on empty. Think of your brain like a high-performance computer. It needs downtime to function optimally. A rested mind works faster and more efficiently. A rested mind remembers things better, connecting ideas and solving problems with a clarity that a tired mind just can't access. You make better decisions when you're not fighting through a fog of fatigue. So, if you genuinely want to be more productive, you have to prioritize sleep. Not less of it, but better. Higher quality sleep. It's a secret weapon of the truly productive. Let's talk about what's happening physically while you're asleep. It's an incredibly active time for your body. While you're resting, your muscles are hard at work, rebuilding the fibers that were broken down during your workout or just from daily activity. Your skin is in a state of repair, healing, and generating new cells. Your hormones, which regulate everything from your appetite to your mood, are rebalancing themselves. Your heart rate and blood pressure lower, giving your cardiovascular system a much-needed break. Every single cell in your body is undergoing a process of regeneration. If you want to look better, feel better, and perform better in every aspect of your life, sleep is your non-negotiable foundation. Every hour of sleep you lose is an hour you're stealing from your future health, your future energy, and your future potential. Have you ever noticed that when you're exhausted, you're the first one to catch a cold? That's no coincidence. Your immune system is deeply connected to your sleep cycle. Without enough sleep, it weakens, leaving you vulnerable. But with proper, consistent rest, your body becomes a fortress. It can fight off viruses and bacteria much more effectively. Inflammation, which is at the root of so many chronic issues, decreases throughout your body. If you do get sick, a rested body heals much faster. Your entire defense system becomes stronger, more resilient. In a very real sense, sleep is your first line of defense against illness. Before vitamins, before supplements, there is sleep. It's the most powerful immune booster you have, and it's completely free. So, how can you actually improve your sleep? The good news is, you don't need expensive pills or complicated, rigid routines. What you need is simple. Smart consistency. You can transform your nights by building a few small habits. First, try to sleep and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Second, limit your exposure to screens before bed. The blue light from phones and laptops messes with your sleep hormones. Next, create a sleep sanctuary. Keep your room dark, quiet, and cool. Consider reading a physical book instead of scrolling on your phone. Also, be mindful of your caffeine intake and try to avoid it late in the day. And one of the biggest game changers? Don't take your phone to bed with you. Let your bed be for sleep and sleep only. These are small habits, but they have a massive, cumulative impact on the quality of your rest. The transformation doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen. At first, it takes a few nights, maybe a week, to start noticing the difference. And then, one day, it just hits you. You wake up feeling lighter. Your mind feels sharper, clearer. Your energy doesn't crash in the afternoon. It lasts through the day. You'll find that you stop chasing motivation and you start becoming it. Good sleep doesn't just change your nights. It changes your days. It changes your mood, the choices you make, the quality of your relationships. It has a ripple effect that touches every single part of your life, slowly but surely rebuilding you from the inside out. So, tonight, I want you to make a choice. Choose rest. Choose peace. Choose to give your mind and body the one thing they've been asking for. Because the person you want to become, the goals you want to reach, and the life you dream of building all depend on your ability to rest and recharge. This isn't about being lazy. It's about being smart. It's about being strategic in your pursuit of a better life. Be kind to yourself. Turn off the notifications. Close your eyes. And let the world finally slow down. Let sleep rebuild you, one peaceful night at a time. Thank you for listening.